let me show you how we can customize the cover screen on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. So let's just open settings on our phone, and then we need to scroll down a little bit to find the cover screen option. Now over here we can manage the wallpaper and the layout of the cover screen, so you can just choose whichever one you would like to use. You can also tap on manage to remove any of them that you no longer need to use. And if you tap on add new, you can of course choose one of these options. You can also generate the wallpaper with AI by using generative AI or Creative Studio. Now we have a couple of presets, of course, that you might want to check out as well, and you can even pick your own image from the gallery. So if you have a picture that you want to set up, then of course you can easily do so. And in fact, if you tap on the cover screen over here, then you should be able to make some further changes. Like for example, you can change the shortcuts that we can set up over here. You can also just completely remove it. We can also find some additional settings related to the wallpaper here below. We can customize the clock over here, so you can change the font, for example. We can adjust its thickness, we can change colors, we can also change the style as well, so you can even choose a different clock face. And besides that, we have widgets as well. This is of course for the lock screen on the cover screen. So here we should also be able to choose any of these widgets in here. We have some slots available. At the top, we can also manage notifications if we want to have notification icons or just dot or nothing at all. And you can also show the battery icon in here. And of course, if you are done, just tap on a done in the upper right corner. Besides that, we can show the now brief and favorite apps in here. And if you go to widgets, then you should be able to, of course, customize all of these different widgets that we have available. There is also the screen timeout for the cover screen, and we can find some notification options. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.